In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a 3D box in Inkscape step by step using one of the simplest built-in tools in the program. If you're just getting started with Inkscape or you want to create more polished shapes for icons, mockups, diagrams, or illustrations, this is a really useful technique to learn. The best part is that you do not need any extra plugins or complicated setup. You can build the box directly on the canvas in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Inkscape tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Inkscape and look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll want to select the 3D Boxes tool, which you can also activate with the X shortcut. This tool is specifically designed for creating boxes in perspective, and it gives you a very quick way to build a realistic-looking 3D shape. Once the tool is active, move your cursor onto the canvas, click and drag to generate your box. As you drag, Inkscape will automatically create the shape using a 3-point perspective system, which gives the box its depth and angled sides. This is what makes the object look three-dimensional instead of flat. If the box is not the exact size or shape you want, don't worry. You can keep working with the same tool and adjust the proportions using the handles that appear around the object. These handles let you change the width, height, and depth so you can fine-tune the box until it looks just right. You can make it wider, taller, or more compact depending on the design you need. If you want to move the entire box to a different position on the page, switch to the selection tool or press S on your keyboard. This lets you drag the shape around freely without changing its dimensions. It's a good idea to use the selection tool once the box is mostly finished, especially if you want to place it alongside other elements in your design. And that's really all there is to it. With just the 3D Boxes tool and the selection tool, you can create clean, editable 3D boxes in Inkscape in a matter of seconds. From here, you can continue customizing the box by adding color, outlines, shadows, or combining it with other shapes to build more advanced designs. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more simple design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.